If you're looking for a couch that can handle guests, lounging, and everyday use all in one, this sectional sleeper could be a great option for you. I was gifted this Vipbear modular corduroy sectional sleeper sofa with pull-out bed and storage by the brand, and my family and I have been loving it ever since we took it out of the box and got it set up. I've got to say, a lot of couches either just don't have enough seating, don't have that conversion into a bed function, they don't have storage, and this couch does the exact opposite. I love it for so many reasons, especially the pull-out sleeper bed. It's so fun for my kids to have their own little sleepover on this couch, plenty of space for them to roll around. I love the modular design because then I can rearrange the couch layout depending on the space and depending on how many people we want to seat there. And I just love the corduroy upholstery. I love this green color, but it does come in some other colors. And this couch also has amazing built-in features like storage, cup holders, USB ports, which offer comfort and functionality. This is a couch that works great for seating, a bed, a storage solution. It's basically everything all rolled into one. I love this corduroy sectional modular couch, and I think it'd be a great option if you are looking for the same features of a sectional couch that combine comfort, flexibility, and have these extras. Highly recommend.